So previous we discussed about that how to create the Google AdWords Express ad. So that will be depend on your mapping. So we can open for the adwords.google.com/express. But here recently an option is given by Google AdWords. We can create Express ads using Google AdWords. That is called, go to your campaign. Option call is Smart. Option call is Smart. When you click the Smart, they're showing for three options. Call to your business, visit your shop friend, nothing but your map, location. Third will be action on your website. So I'm creating for action on my website. Select, click for continue. So if anybody asking an interview question, can I create Google Ad Express ads using AdWords? They will be called yes. So in this, I'm searching for digital market company. Select your customers. They're searching for global wise. Why? I'm go with along with AdWords. AdWords always read by the global audience. So I will go for global audience. Hyderabad, United States, UK. I'm starting for Canada. How many places? Hyderabad, US, UK, and Canada. So this is our reach for our audience. This will be 35 crores, 61 lakhs, 47,529. So after that, click for next. Now you can select your service. Select your category. System marketing company. Question for marketing agency, internet marketing services, marketing consultant, web designer, and business consultant, and advertising agency. I'll go for marketing agency. Why? Because marketing agency will be belongs to for digital marketing. Select your digital marketing. Company Hyderabad. Agency in Hyderabad. So now I'm give the only for these keywords. Now click for next. So keywords are your wish. So I'm give only for certain keyword to explain about how will we create the ad. Now it's very important. Select it. Digital marketing services. The best price in Hyderabad. It's clear. So final one is called your website URL. Suppose if you change any website URL, by in this place you can add by any video also, you can add by here. So here you can promote by website URL, map, and a YouTube URL. Three will be possible. Three will be possible. One is YouTube URL and website URL and Google mapping. In a YouTube place, you can add the Daily Motion and Vimeo also acceptable. Daily Motion and Vimeo also will be acceptable. Anyone asking interview question, can I promote YouTube videos on Google AdWords Express? Yes, we can promote, including Vimeo and Dailymotion also. The previous this option is not enabled. Now this enabled for existing another URL. Is it clear? The very clear important point on your interviews. Can I promote Google Ad Express by any video marketing URL? We can call yes. So I'm promoting only for website URL. Click for next. Add 3 images. Go for your image or stock images. Done. The image you can select by the related digital marketing. Logo will be your. And logo place also mentioned by your pick also will be acceptable your option. Select it. See how many types ad will be designed on your option. Total design by your 13 will be the before, 20 will be before. Now will display only for 9 ads on your AdWords Express. 1, 2. See the difference. Icon will be different. Here visit site, icon. This will be different. Image will be going to like this. Total 9 type of ad will be displayed. This ad will display on this on which was approved by the Google AdSense. There also the ad will be displayed. Means Google display network also will be support. One is mapping, second will be support. Google display network also will be support. Done. Click for next. The final term is called set your budget. The minimum will be 33, end with your lakhs. Now adding for minimum 50 rupees. But see the budget will be fixed 98.69. Why? This is the global budget, not for local budget. Any local budget will be fixed 33. Global will be fixed by 99 will be starting price. Is it clear? That is called two difference. Local will be 33 rupees will be start, or global will be start by 99 rupees. So my will be 100. Total 3000. 40 will be additional price here. Tax benefits. Now start for click for next. Finally set your impressions. See this. Compare the local and global. Impression will be total difference and the clicks also will be totally difference. So I mentioned by how much? For 100 rupees per campaign. See this, how much impression? 429 to 752 impression. How many clicks? 8 to 14 clicks. So I'll increase that one. I'll go for now increase. When increase daily budget, automatically impression will be clicks will be increase. It's a global target, not for local target. Save. Click for next. Finally, your ad will be enabled. Suppose they're showing for not enabled means your option will be showing so wrong. Your mention will be wrong method for AdWords Express using Google AdWords. Is it clear? This will be. So when you can pause, definitely we can give the feedback of the form. The number of call center is campaign. For feedback form. This will be you can fill up or you can close. Two things. You can fill up and you can close. There's feedback nothing but why you stop your campaign. This feedback form not asking for your Google AdWords, only asking for AdWords Express. So this is created by Google AdWords Express ad using Google AdWords.